in the state of Meghalaya.
In a significant step towards boosting agricultural productivity in the region, Maushenrut MLA METHODIOS DKHAR and MLA of Rambrai Jerngam RG MOMIN today handed over a prime agriculture response vehicle under the CM Elevate program. Speaking on the occasion, MLA METHODIOS DKHAR emphasized the importance of modernizing agriculture and providing farmers with the necessary tools and resources. He said that the Prime Agriculture Response Vehicle would play a crucial role in transforming the agricultural landscape of Maushenrut and surrounding areas. The Prime Agriculture Response Vehicle is designed to provide essential agricultural services directly to the farmers in rural areas and to ease transportation of agricultural products from the region.
Scheme ki betul nak department bokeh dan blok dan agriculture department dan veterinary department dan fishery department dan kibai department kibai ham bagi nasional jom kene ketong betul kene kesehatan jadi masuk sini betul nama kunsin kini scheme betul kibai appointment ka plan kalau makin voice yang kini nasional kibai topan lagi terus soal baca kini media soal baca kini yaram pelai definitif kubur sektor jaga kan yaram pun air sim dan mikir nasional kini objektif kita pun kini kita facilities dan kini kita jingeram dan kini coba dan kui kini nasional kira